Hello everyone, welcome back to Nathan Trading Academy. I hope all of you are doing well. In today's video, we will discuss the complete market analysis for tomorrow's trading session, that is 31st July 2026. So watch this video till the end because tomorrow's market is approaching some very important levels. So before we begin, Nathan Trading Academy is not SEBI registered. This video is created purely for educational purposes. Please do your own research. Before taking any trade, we shall not be responsible for any financial profit or loss. Now, let's begin. So, let's first look at the global picture. The US Federal Reserve kept interest rates unchanged, which initially supported the markets. However, the Fed's commentary remained cautious, indicating that future rate hikes are still possible if inflation persists. At the same time, crude oil prices continue to remain elevated because of geopolitical tensions. Higher crude prices generally create pressure on inflation and on the Indian economy. The rupee remained relatively stable, supported by RBI intervention, even as oil prices stayed firm. Overall, global cues remain cautiously positive. Now, let us look at GIFT Nifty. GIFT Nifty is trading around 24,400 and 24,000, which is made high of like 24,397. This is the GIFT Nifty futures. Sorry, this is currently which is trading 24,415, which is made 468 high. So, which is still above the yesterday's important level. This tells us that market sentiment continues to remain positive unless there is any unexpected overnight news. We can expect a stable to positive opening tomorrow. Now, let us discuss today's institutional activity. So, if you see here, this is one of the biggest positives. Foreign institutional investors bought approximately 3,000 crores, and overall net across the exchanges 3,623 crores. On the other hand, domestic institutional investors were net sellers by around 1,600 crores. This means the major buying today came from FIIs. Historically, when FIIs buy more than 3,000 crores while India VIX remains low, the probability of trend continuation increases. This is definitely a positive sign for tomorrow. Now, let us discuss volatility, that is India VIX. If you see this India VIX closed around 12.15, which is a still comfortable level. A low VIX generally means market participants are not expecting any panic. Important levels for the India VIX, if you see, that is 12.31 is made resistance. Then 12.6 is going to be the another resistance. If VIX stays below these levels here, bullish momentum can continue. However, if VIX suddenly moves above 12.6, volatility may increase significantly. Now, let us move to Nifty. So, Nifty, today's closing price 24,300, that is 317. But when you see at the closing here, that is 24,296. The market continues making higher highs and higher lows, which clearly indicates that buyers remain in control. Today's high is 343, 24,343. Then the next targets become 24,000. 425 and 24,500. So next price is going to move towards this level. And finally, we may also see moving towards 24,600. So however, if Nifty fails to hold above 24,187, above this level, then profit booking may take the index towards these levels, 24,136 and 24,000. So tomorrow's first hour will be extremely important. Don't chase trades immediately after market opens. Wait for confirmation. Now let us discuss Bank Nifty. Current closing price of Bank Nifty, which is 57,102. Bank Nifty has also maintained its bull structure. Important resistance levels, if you see, that is today's high, 57,236, and another important resistance, 57,330. If Bank Nifty crosses these levels with good volume, then next targets become 57,500 is going to be the next target, and further 57,700 also can be seen. On the downside, important supports are 57,054 here, this level, and 56,900 and 56,768. So tomorrow, watch these levels carefully before entering any trade. Now the same thing let us observe from the more option chain perspective. So for when we look at the option chain for Nifty, the highest put OI is around 24,000. Like if you see 24,000 here, 24,000 put, which is 1,68,000. This indicates that market participants are treating as a very strong support, that 24,000. The highest open interest is concentrated around on the call side, that is 24,600, which is 1,56,000. So the current option data suggested an expected trading range between 24,000 to 24,600. For Bank Nifty, let us observe that from the Bank Nifty. So here, 58,000 continues to be the major option concentration, 58,000 here, which is 70,848, making an important zone to monitor for the coming sessions. Overall, the option chain continues to support a mildly bullish market structure. So to summarize tomorrow's strategy, so Nifty buy setup, buy only above 24,343. Let me open that chart. Okay, buy above this level, today's high, and targets which you can see 24,425 and 24,500. Okay, so these are the next targets from here, and further even 24,600 also can keep if price moves above this level, and the stop loss which we can place it when price moves above this level, that is 24,280. Nifty sell setup, sell only below 24,187 in this level, and targets 136, that is 24,136 and 24,000, right? So then Bank Nifty buy above, that is 57,236. Let me open that. Yes, 57,236, and targets will be, you can keep 57,500, 57 primarily, which comes 57,300 and 57,500 and 57,700. So stop loss can be placed this level, that is 57.50. Now Bank Nifty sell below this level, when it comes price below this level, targets, primary target which will be 56,929, 56,768, and then 56,670. So remember, trade only after confirmation. never trade based on emotions. So, what is tomorrow's outlook? Overall, the market structure continues to remain bullish, not strongly, mildly bullish. The three biggest positives are here: uh, strong FIS because see, they bought 3,000 crores, and low India VIX, which is 12.6. Okay, so Nifty and Bank Nifty are maintaining higher highs and higher low structure. At the same time, we are trading close to important resistance zones. So rather than chasing the market, wait for a confirmed breakout or a confirmed rejection before taking positions. So discipline and risk management will always be more important than predicting the market. If you found today's analysis useful, please like this video, share it with your trading friends, and subscribe to Nathan Trading Academy also. Let me know your view in the comments. Do you think Nifty will break above 24,343 tomorrow, or will we will see profit booking near resistance? Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful evening. Happy trading and God bless you.